Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Khan Academy website in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Khan Academy. Tap on the first link. After which you must select if you're a learner, a teacher, or a parent. For now, we're going to be tapping on I'm a learner. You must select your date of birth. And then hit next. Now you can either continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or Microsoft, or you can enter your email along with your password and then hit sign up. After you've signed up, you can head over to the login page and then enter your email or username along with your password to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.